Third quarter na yan.
Ayan, okay na.
Alright, back to the movie.
Kaya sir, di po masok ang tubig. Na-upload ko sa YouTube. Wait ko sa'yo. Live na
Sabi ko naman ng players sa ayun si Aaron Santos na.
Yes, Gonzalez fires. No, the rebound from Sir Aaron. Here's number 20, bounce back against the line. Gets a wide open. Newman. That's move on the line, fire 15. Landarna, number 7-1. The beat will make a play for the Landarna. 14 seconds shot clock. Pass to Ramos. Ramos jump step, side step, rolling. 8 seconds shot clock. Putbang wala. The rebound. Ang gawin sa bola. Lucas Aquino Mendes. That pass. Malumo na. That pass to Barona. Bringing pass again to the point guard. The rebound. 18 seconds shot clock. David. Cross, double screen. 14 seconds shot clock. David back pass to City. 10 seconds to shoot. Leaves the ring. No, dito mama. 8 seconds. For the rebound. Back pass to Sir Aaron. Drive to the basket. Intercepted. Pass is good. Marcos. It's a pass. Out the top of the hand. 8 minutes and 40. Pass to Ramos. Lays it in. No, rebound. Back pass to Mama the net. Illusion. Drive. Luther shot. Basket is good. 43-46. 8 minutes and 20. The beat down, over to Mr. Santos. Gonzalez ngayon, 14 seconds shot clock. Drive, Gonzalez pass off. Up and under is good. 8 minutes and 20. Pass to the Korean. Tayo ligas trap to basket. 16 seconds shot clock. Pass, pass, two, very good. Rebound. Team Landarna. The lead. Pass. Gonzalez, 18 seconds to shoot. Back to Mr. Barona. Drive, Luther shot. Traveling, simple, landed.
May pito ka, pagkala may pito mo.
Okay, balik tayo. Mr. Santos. That pass. May email again. Inaalap ang Hernandez. For the rebound to Landarna. 45-26. That pass upward. Pass to Mr. Ramos. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Barona, no post. Oh my God! Fire! So basketball on Mr. Barona. Mark second arm. Here's the number 21. Seven first on Barona. Pass again. Mr. Santos. Cross. Pass to Agostini. Cross pass to number 22. 14 on the shot clock. Fire!
Bata ka pa. Ano hindi alam?
Trevino. Pass again. Here's Jimmy. Lindell. 15 on the shot clock. The beat big. Bounce pass. Drive. Ball. Brings it down. Jose Gonzalez. Back pass. 13 down. Bottom. 6 goals in Zambali. 18 on the shot clock. Leon Santos against Scotland. Pass out. Amandalia. 12 seconds. Wide open. Catch of short. No good. Offense and rebound. No. Rebound. It's a light corner. Number 26 pass. Mr. David. 15 on the shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock. Pass to number 26. 10 seconds shot clock. Minus receiver. Long range. No. First shot. Where's the different field? 49-29. 5 minutes and 20. That is a bend on the line. Here's the number. Tiki. Gamandalia. Patanggang Salina. 15 on the shot clock. Santos Rojas over. 12 seconds. ISO. Side step. Pass out. Drive over. Again. Nino. Against the Bruno. Remaining 5 minutes on the third quarter. Back to the indoor. Cross pass now. Gonzalez takes that one. Lowry. Pass down. This is the ball. Are you able to pass this Pass again to Steve. 14 on the shot clock. Pass right. Speed loop. 12 seconds. Drop pass. Fade away. Shot. Back to back. Right. Foul draw. Mr. Gonzalez. What a goal. 15 seconds. Gamandalia. Back to 48. Simple. Crossover. Wow. There's a whistle. Foul number 71. Mr. Gonzalez. One for the penalty.
Third personal, sir.
Third personal penalty. Warning for penalty. Third personal. 12 seconds. Payumo. In and out. Carolina Corona. And again, the ball versus number 12. Corona versus Zachary. 14 on the shot clock. Ramos Kamala. Pass out. Gonzalez. And rebound. Pass to Yusuf Corona. Pass it as well. Players and ready. Right side step. Yes. Yes, he did. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Pass to Yusuf number 13. Ramos. Back to number 38. Ramos Panamericana. 14 on the shot clock. Pass right pass. 10 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Anthony Santos. 5 seconds shot clock. Drive, motor shot. Balik sa 14. Rebound Gonzalez. 12 seconds to shoot. That ban on the shot clock. Here's the number 12. 8 seconds to shoot. Shot clock down to 5. Long three. David. Rebound. Number 22. Pass through pass. Santos drop pass. Good work, D-Boys. 56, 35, 2 minutes and 50. Intercepted again. Number 22. Drive up and under. Requesting timeout, Team Vegas. 56, 27. Jersey number 20, David. David now, Soto ngayon, back pass. Pass again, number 22. Pass naman sa Iran. Securing the stage. Taking on the shot clock. So ngayon ang diskarte. Pass sa gitna. Taking on the bird for the nice pass. 2 minutes to play. Pass again. Mr. David. Bars. Goal. Outbounds. 2 minutes and 12 seconds from the third quarter.
Naramdaman mo naman eh. Naramdaman mo naman.
Time is now. Back to Mr. Magdala. Magdala na cross. Pass that. Pass to Mr. Mayumo.
Para mga wala si Daro. Baka wala si Daro makaulas ko.
Jersey number 22, Iman Halia. Time on the shot clock. Ready for the basket. Side step. What a pass. And there's a whistle. Now, Jersey number 20. Ano sa Soto?
Foul si Soto, sir.
Substitution.
Soto.
David, David.
Soto, sir. Foul. sa San Miguel dito yung sa Sabado. 10 tips na ata.
Good loser here. 8.625 seconds. That best in the start. Okay. I think it's Gaza. The big dash to the